Holy cow, it's foggy out here. Hope I can see my target. That'll be my excuse if I can't shoot well. Good thing we're not doing long range shooting. Hello, fellow Colonel Richard Hunter International Pistol Shooter Competition fellows. I'm out here on a cool Friday morning, foggy morning, and you can see I've got this camera set up to, needs to be adjusted a little bit, to show me shooting. I am going to have this camera in my hand set up on that tripod to be able to view the target better. I will show you that I'm at 21 feet. I'll be standing here, so I'm going to measure from the bench. If I can get my tape to work this morning. But here's 21 feet 4. That's a 2x4 back there I'm hooked over. But I have my handy dandy PVC target stand, and I have my two targets, my left hand target and my right hand target, just to keep that easy. And if I don't shoot good, it's because of the fog. That's right. There we go. That way you can see the bench. Okay. Okay, Glock 19, this is for the compact classification. 5 rounds, right-handed. Okay, 5 rounds, one hand, right hand. Okay, I'll do a quick mag change. Okay, two-handed left-handed target. Uh-oh. Okay, that was weird. Not quite sure what happened there. Let's see, where was I? Okay, now supported left hand. Was that first 3 supported? Good Lord, I'm just going to finish them out one-handed. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I think I'll find out later, but I think I missed 2 shots. So I'm just going to go ahead and fire 2 more shots single-handed. I'm not quite sure why I let that malfunction screw up my shot count. I wasn't paying attention. But I did pretty good on my right hand. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3. Well, I got all 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7X. And on my left hand, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know about that one. And only one, maybe 2 X's. But anyway, guys, I'm not entering to win. I'm trying to help a sponsor, and Mad Bad Voodoo should be getting a bottle of frog lube direct from the frog lube company. I ordered it from them and had it shipped straight to him. So anyway, I'll count up my score and post it here somewhere. And good luck to everybody. Looks like Mad Bad Voodoo is going to have lots of prizes to give away, and that's really cool. He's done a lot for the YouTube community, and just thank you for having the contest. Thanks, Colonel. Oh, that darn fog.